Hunter, what are you playing with?
That.
What is it?
And this.
How does it work?
And down there.
Can you show me what you do?
And this. And that hammer. That's hammer. Toys. And
I get the picture.
okay.
Okay. Do you like this toy? What else do you do with it?
And this. And
Okay, I'm gonna shut the video off. Do you want to say goodbye?
bye.
Right here? Hello, over here. Hunter. Hey. Hunter. You say bye?
Bye.